doing, bud? What? I heard that. I heard it. Oh! Oh! Oh, goodness. Where's Daddy and Sissy? Are they over there? Over there, yep. Are they over there? Yeah? Oopsie! What are they doing? Yeah? They're out there. I see Riley outside. Do you see the puppy? Oh no, here he comes. Oh no! He's coming to get me! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh no, here he comes! He's coming to get me! Hi. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Yeah, that's where Daddy is. Yep, I see him. I see Daddy. Is Sissy out there with Daddy? Is Sissy out there? Oh. Wave to Daddy. Wave to Dad. Say hi, Dad. Wave to him. Good boy. Yeah. You call Daddy. Call him. Good boy. Oh, you see Sissy's dollies. Play with them now before she comes. Riley's outside. Do you see Riley? Call Riley. No, leave the table there, Boo. You'll hit your head on the fireplace if you fall. Yeah. Call Riley. Where's Dada? No, Connor. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? You're gonna fall. Now what? What you gonna do? Where's the baby? Connor, where's the baby? Oh, where's the baby? Show Mommy where the baby is. Connor, where's the baby? Oh, the baby. Look. Baby's over there. Yeah. Sissy's necklace. Don't let her see you with it. Where's Daddy and Sissy? Are they out there? Where are they? I see Sissy. Oh, Sophie. Here comes Riley. Riley wants in. It's hot out there. Can you do patty cake? Don't put it in your mouth. No, not in your mouth. No. No. No, Connor. No. No. Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Now, get that out of your mouth. Or I'll take it from you. Not in your mouth. What's Daddy doing? And there's Sissy. There's Daddy and Sissy. What's Daddy and Sissy doing? Oh. Yucky. Dirty. That is dirty too. That's Sissy's garbage. She put it on the floor. Peekaboo. Can you do peekaboo for me? Can you do peekaboo? Yeah. Can you do peekaboo for Mommy? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Can you do peekaboo now? Do peekaboo. That's patty cake. Do peekaboo. Peekaboo. Don't touch. That's so dirty, buddy. Don't touch, please. Hey. Yoo-hoo. Do peekaboo. Peek. No peekaboos for me today? Ouch. Connor? Hey. Yoo-hoo. Oh, Riley's out there. Peekaboo. Connor? Where's Connor's eyes? Eyes. Yeah. Where's Connor's eyes? Nose? Mommy's battery's gonna die. Say bye. Bye. Careful, you don't swing yourself, hit yourself in the head with that, silly boy. Bye. You wave bye to Mommy? Hey, little pickle. Can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Here comes Daddy. Here comes Dad.
Here. See it?
Yep.
See yellow?